Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see who subscribed to you on YouTube. Getting new YouTube subscribers on your channel is a great accomplishment, and you should be excited to find out how many you have and who they are. In case you're wondering how to see your subscribers on YouTube, we'll show you how to do just that on mobile. To see your YouTube subscribers on your smartphone, open YouTube, tap your profile icon in the bottom right, and go to your channel. You'll see the number of your YouTube subscribers under your channel's username. The other options, the other methods, you will see your YouTube subscribers via YouTube Studio on mobile or desktop. When it's necessary to monitor the number of subscribers you have on YouTube, you should check other metrics frequently as well. However, if you plan to become a professional YouTube content creator, then you'll need to know more about how to use the tools on YouTube Studio. Viewing people or other channels that have subscribed to your channel is just one of the handy things you can do with YouTube. In addition to seeing a list of your subscribers, YouTube shows how well you've grown your YouTube channel in terms of numbers. But note, you can only see who subscribes to your channel if they granted that permission on their YouTube account. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.